There are many benefits to making your own salad dressing at home. Whether you're looking at the quality of ingredients that you're using, maybe there's some health benefits you're looking for, or just controlling the flavor that you're gonna get. I definitely recommend, whichever category you fall into, trying today's recipe. The ingredients that you need today, you probably already have at home, so let's go ahead and mix this dressing together. I'm gonna use 4 spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt, the juice of an entire lime, a little bit of regular white vinegar, and a big spoonful of honey, a pepper, and some everything bagel seasoning. Shake it up really good in that jar, and then that's it. You've got a dressing. Once you've mixed this dressing together, it is gonna keep in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days, and you can use it on your salads all week long. Thank you for stopping by The Silly Kitchen. Hit that subscribe button, and if you try this recipe or any others, let me know. I always love to hear how it turns out for you. Till next time.